Hello, Mayu.
Hello, Mama.
Can you solve that?
Yes.
Here you sure. Go.
First times this one and give 2 and next to 3.
Good job.
Then yeah, because plus and minus becomes here, 10 to 10 5 is 10. Then copy this one. I write it. I write it. Then put a square root. 2 to 6. Then write over 3 and equals 6, and that's positive. Then negative m raised to 3. Then the and times 3. Then another thing. Then cancel, and then this one you times here and here keep 6 and rest the 10 and here keep 10 times 3 is 210. Then don't times this 1. Don't times.
Don't times.
Then the square root of 26 is 6. I will write here keep 6 and equals 10 times 9 and positive 18. Yeah, keep 3.
Good job.
Then this one will go here and it becomes 48. Yeah, don't need 4 hours because it will go here and then to casa.
Okay.
And here deep 6 and raise to 3. Yeah, deep positive. Then copy it. Then here take 6 equals right 48 because this one went here. Then here take 3 and raised to 3. Then this one will go here. Then here take 6 and raised to 3. Positive 5 and raised to 3. Then copy the equal because this one went here. Then 6 plus 48 is 10. Put back the boy. Then copy your deep 3 and raise to 3. Then this one becomes 10 and raise to 3. Then this one you go. Then go copy. Then 4. You keep 3. And twist to 3. Then here, you push it here. And push it 2. And twist to 3. Then equals 4. And divide 2. Then x and equals 3 is equals, let's divide 2 is that's a 27. Then the square root,
Square root.
the cube root of 27 is 3. So, the 3 is the answer.
Good job, Marius. Let's see closer. What are you Sing ka nga, sing. You sing.
Hey, totally.
Raindrops, rain.